How to remove your card details from Google Play. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Bimal from How to Geek, and in today's card video I will simply show you how you can remove your card details from Google Play. So you just want to make sure to watch this video till the end. Now when you purchase an app from your Google Play Store, the payment method is actually going to get stuck with your Google account. It's not going to be removed until and unless you go ahead and then remove those options manually. And in order to delete your card details from your Google Play Store app or your Google Play account, all you have to do is to go ahead and launch the Google Play Store first. Once you launch the Google Play Store, obviously you will see this kind of interface, which is going to be your default home screen. You just have to tap on your profile photo, which is at the very top right hand side of the screen, and then go to the option called payments and subscriptions. Once you go to payments and subscriptions, at the very top find the option called payment methods, and right over here you'll be able to see the payment option that you've just added. In my case, you can see I've added a Visa card, and if I want to remove it, first you have to go to the option called more payment settings from the bottom, and it will redirect you to your web browser link, and make sure you're logged into your Google account on a web browser, and it will take you to the Google Pay page. Here you'll find a card details. All you have to do is simply tap on the option called remove. It will ask you for a confirmation, do you really want to remove it? So just go ahead and tap on the remove option over here, and that's all it takes to delete or remove your card details from Google Play. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.